A lot of you wanted to know if you can add a video on this $99 budget laptop, and I'm going to show it to you. I'm not going to run a 4K video with Adobe Premiere on this laptop, and it's not going to work because I have a much more powerful laptop that I'm using for video editing. And when I run Adobe Premiere with 4K on it, and it gets really choppy and laggy. So I'm not even going to try on this one. So what I'm going to use today is a program called the Movavi. It's a lightweight video editing software, very similar to the Power Director. And the clip I'm using is about 1080p. It's a random video that I download off the internet. Okay, let's run the program. First, I'm going to import the clip. All right, it's in there. So I'm going to drag onto the timeline. There it is. All right, I'm going to expand it. Okay. And we're going to play it. All right, we're gonna jump to here. All right, jump to here. Fine. All right. We're gonna pause it. We're gonna split it. Split. We're gonna come here. We're gonna split. And we're gonna add some effects to it. All right, let's put some effects to it. Let's see if it works. Okay, works. I'm going to jump to here. Okay, fine. I'm going to split a little bit more. Gonna add a little bit other. Gonna add other stuff to it. Okay, this one looks fine. So I'm gonna run this again. Okay, let's run all the effects together. First one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. All right, as you can see, it runs pretty smoothly. So it's a 4.5 minute video. Now I'm gonna export it. And let's see how long it's going to take to export this video onto the desktop at the highest setting. took about 2 minutes and 50 seconds to export a 4.5 minute video. So let's run this. This is the new one. It's fun if you just want to do some short standard HD videos. This laptop is more than capable of doing so.